Good morning, folks.
Happy birthday.
Welcome back to Naked Truth Outdoors.
Happy birthday, Nicola.
We need some birthday geese. We're back on the golf course.
They've been hanging out right here, so we're going to set up here and we'll see if they continue to do what they've been doing. Yeah, we all three.
Let's go first one in the morning, dude.
Shoot!
Oh yeah, there's like 10 of them. Oh my god, there's 30 of them. Yeah, there's 30 of them. Yep.
Yep.
I'm blasting, yeah. Dude, one's down. Yep, I knew we got one. Yep, he's in the brush. He's in the brush at the base of that tree. So we just had our second couple groups come in and got some shots off. We got one, and he went down in that field behind us, so we're going to go try and recover him a little bit. Decent start to the morning. We had to wait about an hour before they started flying, but it looks like they're really flying a lot now. I can hear more to my left, so stay tuned. We're going to smack some more.
Yep, they're low.
Nice. My gun's over here jammed.
Let's go, boy. First goose, I'm pretty stoked. Won all last waterfowl season. Doing really bad, so I really took my time. Put in a good shot. You shooting? Oh, come on. Oh, I way too much. I think Larry dropped that one.
I drilled that one. Nice, dude.
Holy dude, this thing got beat. I can't believe it. Flew freaking, I don't know, 80 yards probably somehow. Well,
Gun's still jammed.
This gun is jammed, and we've had a couple groups of geese go by while we've been working on this whole thing, but we got a nice pile so far this morning. Hopefully they're still flying and we can get a couple more.
We can't do anything. We have to just let it happen. Are we shooting them?
Yeah.
Okay, well, yeah. Just put the call down. They're coming back for sure.
3 are breaking off.
We weren't aware that there was going to be any mowers out here, but I guess he just decided to mow right in front of us. And John's going to finish that goose off. But yeah, we just had a huge group.
I hit that one and he was like, he started doing that and then he just kept going.
Hopefully it stays hot. I wish that mower wasn't there. It kind of ruined it for us. They tried to land like 3 separate times. and we had to wait for him to get off, and so we had a safe, ethical shot, so we didn't do anything stupid. So
he's like, I'm mowing this fairway. I don't care about you guys. He does not care at all.
Selfish. Dude, yeah, what's he gonna do?
he's going out. About 20. They're coming down. Yep. Yeah, they're gonna go behind us and then turn around. Go landing. Are we going?
I manned up, boys.
There too. Add them to the pile. All right, so we got like 10 geese right now, I think.
Yeah, I think so. Something like
We're doing pretty good. But a couple factors this morning. We would have had more if it wasn't for a mower man. And honestly, we had a couple groups that were going by and they didn't seem like they wanted it. Just flagged them right in. This is essential.
We got 24 more decoys too, so we were up to 48. We were just using 24 the other 2 times we were out. So I think that's helping us too. We got a bigger spread, so we have big groups that are checking us out. Yeah,
He's a bit too far.
that's all right.
Dang. I thought he was closer to the edge, so
Yeah,
couldn't see up
he was swimming away from us by the time we got over there.
Oh, yo, he's landing. Grab your gun. Grab your gun. Folded, baby. What do we got? What do we got? Hey, there we go. There we go. Bringing it all the way back from about 5 yards from where he shot it. Dropped it right on the spot.
The one that was kind of high and it was circling around us. And I just happened to be walking in the spread when he was going around the first time. Circled back around and decided to come in. And bad choice for him. Good choice for us.
Did we check for bands? Did we check for... No? He's clean.
Sadly.
That's all right.
All right, so we had a pretty good day today. We ended up with 15 geese. A lot of action early in the morning. About 7 o'clock they started flying. They calmed down around 9. Then we had maybe 1 or 2 solos come in throughout the day after that, but we didn't really get much shot later in the day. So they kind of stopped flying after the morning. As goose season winds down, there's not going to be many days left, so this is kind of one of our last big days with this. Early season, there's 15 apiece in New York State, so once late season comes, it's only 3. So this is kind of our big day, and this is it's going to set the tone for the rest of the year, I think.
Yeah, so early season goose is about to end next Friday. I actually got my first few geese in today, so I'm pretty stoked about that. We're all going to be starting duck real soon here. I think October 1st, we're going to be getting into ducks pretty hard, so we're all looking forward to that.
And then next Sunday is the start of bow season, so we're going to have some bow season videos for you guys coming up too.
Yeah, if you could, guys, just remember to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know when we post videos. We're going to try and get a lot more out to you with deer season coming up. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned.